Good morning to all. First of all, I say Happy Independence Day to all. Today, I want to say Indian national symbols from 5th class. I am our Indian national bird. My name is Peacock.
I am our Indian national aquatic animal. My name is dolphin.
I am our Indian national river. My name is Ganga. Indian national tree. My name is banyan tree. Our Indian national animal. My name is tiger. I am our Telangana state bird. I am Indian roller. In Telugu,